had an outdoor speaker company reach out to me, Studiofinix, asked me if I wanted to try out some waterproof outdoor speakers and give my honest review on them. I said, sure, I can do that. This is how everything was shipped. It's shipped in this big box. The only thing is I took the label off the top of the box. So from the looks of it, we have another box inside this box, which we want to just take and lift right out. I'd say this is about 30 pounds, or 20 pounds give or take. All right. So, like I said, this is Studiofinix, or Phoenix, model number HOS-601. I'll put everything in the description. These are a 6.5-inch two-way waterproof outdoor speakers. All right. Two-way full range with a tweeter, 800 watts, marine grade, waterproof construction, custom tool design for high power, removable and anti-rust speaker grills, indoor outdoor. So what I want to do first is just give you an opening here and look and see what's inside the box, what it comes with. Kind of just look at the contents in this video, an unboxing if you will. Boom. Alright, looks like we got 4 speakers here. Let's see what we got. Alright. Man, these are heavy duty. Looks like we got brackets connected to them. I'll show you a close up of that. I just want to get everything out here. Right. Very nice. And it feels so portable. So this is basically enough speakers for a 4-channel amplifier. And it comes with a manual, owner's manual, Studiofinix, owner's manual. And it comes with an amplifier, a Bluetooth audio amplifier. And the boat for that, of course. Alright, comes with a power supply and a cable. And it comes with 4 pretty long speaker wires. It's pretty long for good. I don't know how long those are exactly, but it looks pretty long to me. Let's see if it says in here. It just says speaker cable. All right, and then here's a. I'm guessing this goes to the power supply. Yeah, this is in case you want to hook it up to DC 12 volts, like a marine battery or something along those lines. That's what the extra power cable is for. Alright, and then here's the amplifier it comes with. It's got a microphone input, auxiliary input, a USB input, and your power. And then your speakers connect here. Like I said, this is a 4-channel amplifier, 4 speakers. And I'll show you a close-up of this. Alright, and of course another foam insert on the bottom. I'll say that it's, the packaging is, really good. Alright, let me give you a close-up of everything that comes with this. Okay. I'm going to open this. I will be using it, so. Alright, I'm going to take the wrapping off of this one. These, here, these brackets do unscrew to allow you to remove them. Placement in this side like that right there. So you can mount them however you mount them. You can mount them up like this, or face it down, or up like this. Lots of ways to mount it. I like that the brackets are removable like this. Alright. Let's just set these other three over here all the way in. So this is just an unboxing video, and then in the next video I'll set it up and we'll test everything out, the sound and everything, and then we'll do an install. Alright, so let me show you what all we got here. Alright, like I said, it comes with the manual, Studiofinix owner's manual. It comes with the Studiofinix amplifier manual, Bluetooth amplifier. There's the Bluetooth amplifier it comes with. Power cord, USB, auxiliary, microphone, and then of course, there's your mounting. You got line ins, left side, right side line ins. I'm sorry, line outs. Left side, right side line outs. 4-channel. And then you have your LEDs across the top there. Power, Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary mic, TWS. I'm not sure what TWS stands for yet. And mono. But we'll figure all that out. I think the TWS has something to do with, like, if you have two of these and you want to, you know, connect them together. But I'm not real sure. We'll look at that later. And here's your power supply. Comes with it. With the power connector already on it. And then, of course, your cable for the power supply, which, you know, the power supply is going to connect right there. Also has this other power supply right here in case, like I said, this is marine grade, waterproof, so a lot of this stuff is made, you know, for people with boats and whatnot. And that way, if you have a, you know, just a 12-volt system there on your boat, you can hook this up directly to your battery or your switches or whatever stereo setup you have on your boat, to where you don't need a regular brick type AC to DC power supply. You can just use this. It comes with 4 rows here of speaker wire. Looks to be about, I don't know, maybe 10 feet or more, but pretty heavy gauge. It's good. May or may not need to get some more of that, depending upon how I do the install. And then, of course, you know, you got your speakers. There's 4 of them. These are white. They come in black. They have a tweeter built in here. And then your bracket just unscrews to, I'm going to take your bracket off. Okay. flip these over. Alright, so it looks like you have, you can use banana jacks on these if you want to use a banana jack. And then you have your standard thread right here. The top piece should come off, and then the bottom piece here, pretty sure. But yeah, we'll get into that during the install and the testing and whatnot. Okay. But I like that they have a room for a banana jack if you want to just wire some banana jacks and make it easier. You know. Maybe this is made for like some kind of a speaker stand or something, or maybe it's even bolt specific. I have no idea on that yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out as we go along. Right now we're just doing the unboxing, and I like them. I like the speakers. Alright, so this is the unboxing. All the components that came with it. Right there. In the next video we'll do we'll set it up on the table here, and we'll test it out and hook it up to the wall here and just get it working. And once we've got it working, we see how everything connects together, then we can do an install video. I think I'm going to basically do a 2-channel setup. I have another amplifier that I want to test out. We can test it with this one just to see how it's going to work as a 4-channel, but I have a 2-channel which will require taking having 2 sets of speakers on the left side and 2 sets of speakers on the right side, and they'll be wired in series for a 2-channel. But we'll get into that during the testing phase of it. But for now, I just wanted to get this opened up. I've had it for a couple of days, and you know, I want to make sure I get it out there, the video out there, showing all the components and stuff. So, but yeah, everything looks high quality. I'm interested in really seeing how this thing sounds. These speakers are huge, 6.5 inches, 800 watt. That's pretty powerful speaker. I don't know how this amp's going to cut out for that, but I'm not going to be blasting this amp all the way on 10 anyway. I mean, I'd have the neighbors chasing me down the street. But yeah, I like to make this more of a mobile system, I think, or mobile. I might eventually make a couple stands, homemade stands, and what I'll do is with the stands, like I say, they'll be mobile, so I can take them outside where my pergola is, or the backyard here. We're having a birthday party, you know, and I can just set it up out there and I can play it outdoors. If I have a good movie I want to watch, like on the TV, you know, I can set it up, and it's mobile, it'll be on stands. I can set it up beside my TV and, you know, hook the volume up in the TV to it, and there you go. And then, you know, you can use it for a decent sound system for the TV. And if I want to take it in my pool room there, in the game room, when I'm shooting pool and stuff, and I have a nice stereo set up in there. So, or if I want to go to the park, you know, if you got a 12-volt battery, you can hook this up to like a cigarette lighter, and yeah, you can probably power this thing at the park. But anyway, there's multiple ways you can use this system, so I'm not going to hard mount it. I'm going to mobile mount it, so that you know, we can try it out that way. But I wish I could take these grills off here to show you the removable grills, but like I said, I don't want to break it, and if there's a secret to get them off, then I need to read up on it and find out. And then at the same time, I'll find out a little bit more about these holes in the back here with the threads. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching, and thank you Studiofinix for sending this to me, and we'll get it hooked up, test it, see how it sounds, and get it installed. Thanks for watching.